Weston, which is one of our younger patients. How old is Weston?
He's 9 months old.
9 months, okay. And what was Weston's problem when you brought him in?
He kept pulling at his ear a lot, so we're worried about having ear infections. It's actually common in our family.
Okay. And how's he been doing?
A lot better, actually. He's not pulling at his ear anymore. He used to have, his ear was bleeding over here where he pulled at it so much, and it's completely taken care of.
Come over here. There we go. All right. Well, we're just going to use an activator, which is a little handheld instrument here to adjust Weston. And this is what we've been doing, and he does really great with it. So let's see if he likes to look back at us, though.
Okay, did that.
And we'll look over this way, Weston. And adjusting the upper cervical area directly affects the nerves that go into the inner ear canal. So that's why this has been helpful with Weston. And as you can see, he just he kind of likes it, I think. The noise is a lot louder than what the treatment is. Okay. Let's check Weston in a week this time.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Any problems before, they give us a call.
All right. Thanks so much.
Great. Thanks. Appreciate it.